Samuel got a new toy. Let go, let go. Okay. All kinds of things here. What did we get for Shabbat? Oh, no, not my dress, please. Wow. He's at the stage where he wants to hunt. Those who developed toys didn't think that the nail gets stuck in the... And you get a toy. Wait. Here. One for you. Wait, I have to pick up everything, clean up this. We have to clean, so. Problem is how to let go. Let go, Samuel Beckett's problem is now letting go. This is great. I have to wash the floor now. Problem is, after a while you get tired of holding the stick. It's like a fishing rod, and he has to fish for the mouse. God, yeah, it's unbelievably hot outside. Remind me not to be in Israel in July and August ever again, as long as I live. Oh my God. Definitely not. Oh, he got it. It's not so exciting though when you don't. And she has a giraffe. Give me back the toy. Wow. See, Samuel, big cat is really big. You're a big cat you are. So I'm going to clean the floor for Shabbat. And what do you say? Shabbat Shalom. From the gang.